We're the first company in the world to be recognized with innovative design for our cough relief patch. Kplass Cough Relief Patch uses infrared optical wave and magnetic powder. It activates the cellular tissue, improves blood circulation, and enhances metabolism, which helps relieves cough without taking oral cough syrup. It has no side effects. Once you paste onto the advised acupuncture points, you will feel the effect almost immediately. During this pandemic, we have sold more than 3 million packs.